Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a timeout sign in Toca Boca. First, open your Toca Boca app and choose a house or building where you want to create your sign. Find a clear wall or an empty spot that will serve as your canvas. Then, head over to the Furniture and Decoration menu to start gathering the items you'll need for this fun project. Now, let's gather the essential items for your timeout sign. You'll need a flat, rectangular object to act as the base, perhaps a picture frame or a small board. Next, search for individual letters or tiny decorative pieces that can spell out timeout. It's a good idea to pick letters in a color that stands out clearly against your chosen base, ensuring your sign is easy to read. With your base and letters ready, it's time to assemble your sign. Position the rectangular base item firmly onto your chosen wall or spot. Then, meticulously arrange the letters TIMEOUT one by one onto the base. Take a moment to ensure they are evenly spaced and perfectly centered, creating a clean and professional look. Feel free to adjust everything until it's just right. To finalize your timeout sign, consider adding a few extra touches. Perhaps a tiny clock or a small arrow could enhance its appearance. You might even place a miniature chair or stool nearby to complete the designated timeout area. Take a step back and check the sign's visibility from various angles in the room. Once you're happy, remember to save your progress so your creation stays put.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.